It's one thing to enjoy the outdoors. It's another to truly enjoy the outdoors. Turn the open air into your serene sanctuary with the folding camping cot from Alpcore. The Alpcore camping cot will give trekkers, campers, tailgaters, and beachgoers of all ages rest and relaxation anywhere. The camping cot is lightweight and portable, yet sturdy enough to comfortably hold up to 300 pounds of weight. And the premium polyester fabric is soft, breathable, double-layered, and water-resistant, while the cot opens and folds away in seconds. The camping cot comes with a pillow for added support, a side pocket to store your things, one carry bag for easy support, and a 1-year unlimited warranty. Roughing it doesn't have to mean restless, achy sleep. Let the clouds be your blanket while the world rests beneath you. Let an Alpcore camping cot comfort your adventures.
The RhinoTough Foldable Solar Panel Charger. Enjoy versatile charging with peace of mind. This unique technology detects the device that you're charging and delivers the proper current to ensure powerful and stable charging. It supports almost all devices that are charged with a USB and can take a 5-volt charge. It's compatible with Apple, Android, Windows devices, and more. The charger is resistant to water and corrosion and designed to withstand high temperatures. The 2 output ports are hidden in a protective pocket where you can store your devices while charging them. Spread out the solar panels and place them in an area exposed to direct and strong sunlight. When the indicator on the USB output port lights up red, it is ready to charge your device. Connect your device with its cable. Angle the panels towards the sunlight vertically to get the maximum solar energy. The RhinoTough Foldable Solar Panel Charger is built to last, and it's the perfect addition for your next adventure.
Hey guys, this is Paul here from Trekology. I just wanted to quickly show everybody our new Trekology aluminum camping table. This table comes in 3 different sizes. To my left, this is a small size. I have the medium size here, which I'll be assembling, and to my right here is the large size. So to assemble the table, simply open the carrying pouch that it comes in. Inside the pouch, you'll actually see 2 small pouches inside of here because there are 2 main components of the table. The first part is the table top here, which I'll be setting to the side for now. The second part are the table legs. So we'll want to start the assembly with the table legs. On the 2 outside corners are these bars that can rotate up and down. Simply grab the legs by these opposite corners and pull them to open the legs of the table open. To finish the assembly of the legs, you'll see on one end of the swinging bar there's a small hole. You'll want to line this small hole up with a tab on the opposite side of the table leg. So simply swing this bar down and align the hole with the tab on the table leg, and when it's pushed down, this part of the leg will be flush with the opposite side. So simply do the same thing with the opposite side. Match this hole up with the tab on the opposite side of the leg, push down, and now the leg is flush. So now we can move on to the tabletop. To open the tabletop up, there's this elastic band which you can just pull off. And then open the table up. This flat side is the top of the table. Now, the orientation of the table is important. You'll see on 2 sides of the table, there's this metal bar that runs along one side of the table. You will want to align this metal bar up with these tabs that run along the side of the table. So I match this bar up with the tabs on the side of the table legs, and they'll simply snap into place. So now I go to the other side of the table, and there's another bar along this side of the table. I do the same thing, line this bar up with these tabs on the table legs, simply push down, and now the table's assembled. If you're on the beach or having a picnic, you don't want your bag to blow away in the wind. So if you want, you can just take this pouch that the bag comes in and just tie a knot on the leg just so you don't lose it. And this is the aluminum Trekology table. I really like this table a lot if I'm camping, if I spill a drink on it or maybe some food. This is really easy to clean up. You simply wipe it off with a wet cloth, and this table is really easy to clean. Really love it for camping. As I mentioned earlier, this table does come in 3 different sizes. To my left, this is a small table, this is the medium-sized table, and to my right here is the large table. So now I'll show you how to disassemble the table. To disassemble the table, you simply do everything in reverse. Take the outer corner of the table and simply pull it up until this bar is released from these tabs. Now you'll want to fold the table up accordion style, like this, until you get to the other side, and then you'll just lift this side up off the table. Now the elastic band can simply be wrapped around tabletop. And this can go back into the carrying pouch. Now for the legs of the table, we simply pull up on this horizontal bar of the table, fold it down to the other side. Take the opposite corners of the table legs, simply pull them together. And that can go back in the bag. And that's it. This is the Trekology aluminum camping table. Thanks for watching.
Introducing the Wise Fly Rain Tarp by Wise Owl Outfitters. This rain tarp is not your run-of-the-mill tarp. It's been specifically designed and constructed of the highest quality 210 T-ripstop waterproof nylon that has an impenetrable water barrier. This means that no water will get through it, and the seams are also leak-proof. The connection points have been designed with reinforced stitching, so it can take a great deal of force. Trust us, you will not get wet while under this tarp. Setting up this tarp is a breeze. All you have to do is tie each end around the trees on either side of your hammock. You'll want to secure the cord about a foot or so above your hammock straps. It can be difficult to tie cords like this tightly, but don't worry, because we've got you covered. We've included rope tighteners on each connection point, so by pulling the cord, you can tighten the line without having to tie another knot. Next, you want to secure your stakes in the ground. Just tie a quick knot in your rope and connect it to the hook on your stake. Grab the end of the stake and place them at an angle, with the pointed end facing towards your tarp. Remember that the further away from the tarp you go, the more space you will have under the tarp. Once you have all your stakes in, tighten down each corner with the tighteners, just as you did with the ends by the trees. You could also use your hiking poles with one end of your tarp to create a sort of canopy so that you have more space under your tarp. Hanging your tarp will keep you dry and out of the sun so you can fully enjoy your hammock experience. When done, simply fold it up and put it back in your carry bag. We are Wise Owl Outfitters. Years ago, we set out to make an awesome, high-quality hammock at a reasonable price. Since our first hammock, we've expanded our product line to include many useful and eye-catching products under the Wise Owl brand. We're located in the beautiful state of Tennessee and take great pride in being a U.S. company. We strive every day to improve our design, technology, and processes to offer the best and most useful outdoor gear and products possible. We hope our gear can give you a reason to get outside and enjoy our beautiful world.